Hello Earth. I've been thinking of the unified equation that will unify quantum mechanics, thermodynamics, let's say, and uh, how is this one called? Yeah, general relativity and electrodynamics, electromagnetic. When I came across this issue, I thought about sound first, but there are things I had to reconcile for me to work with sound as my founding assumption. So I'd observed a lot of, let's say, how do I call them? A lot of deaf village mates, how they react to sound and things around them. So I'd asked myself, what if space is as deaf as the deaf guy? Because it is a vacuum, you cannot hear sound. So if it wasn't a vacuum, will we hear planets sound as they move along? Will the rays from the sun, or sun has its own sound? Or what will happen up there? So, as a fanatic of astrophysics and Carl Sagan, I'd come to know about the unifying equation and what it did to Albert Einstein, and also the three-body problem. So as it goes, I went to resonance, and then I was looking for something that was scientific. I was looking for something that was scientific in sound. So I found resonance, and then after resonance I went to oscillations, and before I knew it, I was on momentum. So what I'm saying is, momentum is the unifying factor across all interdisciplinary. Look at motion. Motion is a neuron in motion. There is that motion into it, and there is in psychoanalysis there is the disturbing and disturbed intentions. There is momentum in physics, thermodynamics. There is momentum in Schrödinger's equation. There is momentum across even sociology, human behavior. In evolution, there is momentum. In photons, there is momentum. So I think momentum theory is the unifying factor across all these moments, or all these interdisciplinary fields. So I'm looking for anyone with a view to support this, or maybe to contradict this, as critics and verdicts, so that I can know if whatever I'm thinking is viable.